Hello and welcome guys. Today's topic is COVID-19 vaccinations in India. We will basically cover three aspects of it today. First is vaccine manufacturing, the capacity. Second one is the vaccine procurement, and third one would be vaccine distribution, where we can see so much of ruckus happening at the vaccination centers. Let's have a look at these pictures first before moving on to the video. Now the question is, are we doing it right? If yes, then are we doing it in a right way? For me, the answer is no, because if we were doing this thing in a right way, then the pictures which you just saw wouldn't have appeared before us. Why is this struggle? Where is social distancing? Do we know how many of them might be carrying this virus with them? And by not maintaining social distancing, how many people they can infect with this virus? Let's have a look at the bigger picture of it. If a person gets infected who has been vaccinated already, he'll go home thinking subconsciously that he is less contagious to the virus and he cannot spread it across to his family members. Now, if he goes home at that time, we are exposing his whole family to this virus. Vaccination is the most important thing to do and we must do it. But what I feel is we are doing it a right thing for a right purpose, but possibly in a wrong way. What are we doing wrong? Okay, there are many things, but the first thing is first. Have we completed the vaccination of 45 plus people? If no, then strictly we should complete that as soon as possible. Let us now come down to the people who are below 45. Okay, at the very first place, we shouldn't have opened the vaccination for all the people who are below 45, because from 18 to 45 in this specific slot, we have almost 80 crore population of India. Now the question comes in, do we have the manufacturing capacity of 80 crore vaccinations? No. Do we have the procurement processes? No. Do we have the vaccination centers available for this kind of huge populations? No. I guess there is a big communication problem. The approach itself is wrong, because it should be from the government to the people. But what is happening right now, it is from the people to the government. Like on the CoWIN app, we book an appointment, we make the registration, we book an appointment and we go to the vaccination center. But at the vaccination center, their government comes into a picture and says ki the vaccines are not available. And what do you think? In this kind of pandemic situation, are we going to do the second registration and wait for the next slot? No, won't work. This is the pandemic situation. They'll want to get the vaccination as soon as possible. If they are not getting it on the day of their registration, they'll surely rush to the vaccination centers on the very next day. Now the real problem starts here. If you have looked at the pictures, right, the problem will start with the registration which the vaccination centers are currently having, and the people who have not received the registration on their registration day, and the ruckus will start. Now talk about the possible solution for this. In my opinion, there are three possible solutions for this. First of all, we should divide the population into three phases, from 18 to 25, 26 to 35, and then 36 to 44. Second thing is about the decentralization of CoWIN app on the state level or the district level. And the third, which is a very traditional and trialed and proven approach, we'll talk about it at the end of the video. Before moving on to the solutions, the real problem is the shortage of vaccines. How do we deal with it? Okay, the real question is, how many manufacturers are there in India? As per the government list, there are 21 vaccine manufacturers in India. Out of those, only 2 are working and manufacturing the COVID-19 vaccine, obviously due to the patent reasons. The first one is Bharat Biotech and second one is the COVAX, the Serum Institute. We need to understand that this is not the profit-making scenario. Now the companies are not ready to accept it, then it is the duty of our government to make them understand this is not the profit-making scenario and make them to share the formula with the other vaccine manufacturers, so that all the manufacturers start the manufacturing and get India out of this vaccine shortage. Fixed and we have a number of vaccinations available with us, then we have to focus on the procurement and the distribution. Now I don't understand, why do we need that app? Why do we need the application? Why do we need the registration and the appointment? Why do we need to create a new system when we have the trial and test and old and traditional system which has been utilized for more than 60 years now? Now you all might be wondering what system I am talking about. So it is none other than the election system of India. At the day of elections, the whole country, the whole state, the whole districts, they all know where do they have to go, what would they have to go and vote. We all know this, right? So why to create this mess? Just set up the vaccination centers at the election booths. When I say utilizing the election systems, what I mean is that wherever there are the voting booths, or we call it as voting centers at the time of election, we have to convert them all into vaccination centers. Now all people know that what voting center they have to go to at the day of voting. What people have to just do is they do not have to register, they do not have to get any appointment. What they have to do is just get their election card or the Aadhaar card and trust to the nearest voting center, which is now converted into a vaccination center. Now to avoid the single dose and double dose kind of thing, we can use the very proven inking system. We use it in elections to the people who have taken the single dose and people who have not taken the first dose. Government will be having the more accurate data, but utilization of the election systems for vaccination would certainly be the master stroke in this pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, is what I feel. If you feel the same, then please like and share this video. If you do have a better solution, then please comment it down. Thank you.